Hello students, this is science class for class 8th and today I am going to start the new lesson force and pressure. So, let us see some related topics in this chapter. First of all, what is force? Have you seen force? How does it look like? Obviously, no. We cannot see the force. We can only see the effect of force. Okay? So, simply force, it may be push or pull. Okay? Like you can see, if you open the cap, it is pulling, and if we close the cap, it is pushing. So, this is the effect of force actually. So, force is push or pull. In our daily life, we can see so many examples, like if you pedal your cycle, you apply some force. If you keep the book in the drawer, you have to pull the drawer and then you can keep the book. Likewise, if you want to lift any object from the ground, if you have to apply the force. So, these are some effects of force. Okay? So, what are the effects of force? There are some effects as number 1, it can change the state of motion or rest. What does it mean? By applying force, the state of motion or rest can be changed. Suppose a body is in motion, okay, in this direction. If a force is applied, then what will happen? It moves faster. When the force is applied in the direction of motion of the body. Okay? But suppose the body is moving in this direction and the force is applied in opposite direction. Okay? So, in this case, it will slow down, the speed will slow down. So, in this way we can speed up the moving object or we can slow down the moving object. Suppose if a body is at rest, suppose this body is at rest, by applying some force, we can set this body in motion. This body can move. Okay? So, in this way we can say that it can change the state of motion or state of rest. So, it can slow down the speed of moving object. Okay. It can speed up the moving object when the force is applied in the same direction. Okay. So, in this way it can change the state of motion or state of rest. Another thing is number 2, it can change the direction of moving object. Most of the time it happens in cricket field when the ball is hit by the bat, that can change the direction of moving ball. So, in this way, by applying force, the force can change the direction of moving object. It can change the shape of object, suppose you have a balloon filled with air. If you apply some force, then that force can change the shape of balloon, or you can stretch the spring, you can change the shape of spring. Okay. So, in this way these are some things in which the force, effect of force we can see in our daily life. Okay. So, force simply it is push or pull. Okay. क्योंकि फोर्स तो हम देख नहीं सकते, केवल हम इसका इफेक्ट देख सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो सिंपली फोर्स इज व्हाट, इट इज पुश और पुल. फोर्स से क्या 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 इफेक्ट हो सकता है, यानी कि हम ये कैसे कह सकते हैं कि फोर्स लग रहा है किसी बॉडी पर, तो उसका कुछ इफेक्ट हो सकता है. फोर्स कैन चेंज द स्टेट ऑफ मोशन और रेस्ट, कि अगर कोई बॉडी रेस्ट में है तो फोर्स लगा करके उस बॉडी को मोशन में लाया जा सकता है. ठीक है. और अगर कोई बॉडी मोशन में है तो फोर्स लगा करके उसको रेस्ट में भी लाया जा सकता है, और फोर्स लगाकर उस बॉडी की स्पीड को भी चेंज किया जा सकता है. ओके. फोर्स कैन चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट. फोर्स अप्लाई करके किसी भी मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट की डायरेक्शन को चेंज किया जा सकता है. जैसे कि ड्राइवर, बस ड्राइवर किसी भी रोड पे जब टर्न लेता है तो वो स्टीयरिंग पर एक फोर्स लगाता है. ठीक है. घुमाता है. तो इस तरीके से बस जो है वो टर्न हो जाती है, मीन्स डायरेक्ट चलते हुई बस अपनी डायरेक्शन चेंज कर देती है. तो इस तरीके से हम कह सकते हैं कि फोर्स कैन चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट. फोर्स किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के शेप को भी बदल सकता है. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी बट इट कैन. कैसे? जैसे कि अगर एक बैलून है विच इज़ फिल्ड विद एयर, तो अगर इस पर हम फोर्स लगाएंगे तो ये इसका शेप हम बदल सकते हैं. एक स्प्रिंग है, अगर उसको हम तेज़ी से फोर्स लगाकर उसको खींचें तो हम उसके शेप को बदल सकते हैं. तो इन दिस वे वी कैन सी सम इफेक्ट्स ऑफ फोर्स. नाउ यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट. Now, let us see what is SI unit of force and what is magnitude of force. SI unit of force is Newton. In the honor of Sir Isaac Newton, its SI unit is Newton. It is written as N. And what is the meaning of magnitude? Magnitude means actually strength of force. Okay, strength of force is called magnitude. Actually, magnitude of force, for example, if we say 50 Newton, so this is magnitude of force. Okay, or this is strength of force. Suppose another force is 100 Newton, so we can say this force is stronger than this. Okay, so by magnitude of force we can know the strength of force. Okay, now let us see balanced force. What is balanced force? Actually, suppose if two forces acting on a body, but these two forces cannot change the state of body or cannot displace the body. Okay, in this case these two forces can be said as balanced forces. Okay, so we can define like this. If a number of forces, if a, you can write like this, if a resultant of all forces acting on a body is 0, it is called balanced force. balanced force. Okay, suppose these are two forces and you can see these two forces acting in opposite direction. We can suppose F1 is equal to F2. Suppose these two forces have same magnitude but they are acting in opposite direction. So what is the net force? Net force is F1 minus F2. This is, since you can see F1 is equal to F2, so F1 minus, you can write this as F1. So this is 0. So in this way you can see when two forces which have equal magnitude are acting on a body in opposite direction, so the net force will be 0. Okay, in this way, because if one force is acting in one direction, the other force is acting in opposite direction, so that force is taken as negative. Okay, because force has magnitude as well as direction. Force has magnitude and direction. Okay, we can take, so in this case if forces are balanced, then net force is 0. Okay, and in this case the body will not move. Okay, we can take one more example. You have heard about tug of war. In that tug of war, in that play, there are two teams. If the two teams apply equal force, so in that case the two forces will be balanced forces. Okay, because in that case no team can win the game. Okay, तो SI यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स क्या है? SI यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स इज न्यूटन, और इसे सर आइजैक न्यूटन के ऑनर में इसको रखा गया है. मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ फोर्स मीन्स स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ फोर्स. ओके, what is the strength of force? That is magnitude of force. For example, 50 Newton, this is magnitude of force. 100 Newton, this is magnitude of force. In these two forces you can very easily say that 100 Newton force का magnitude ज़्यादा है, strength ज़्यादा है, इसमें इसका magnitude ज़्यादा है और इसका मैग्नीट्यूड कम है. ओके, नाउ बैलेंस्ड फोर्स क्या है कि अगर किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट पर कई फोर्सेस लग रहे हों बट नेट फोर्स 0 हो, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि वो सभी फोर्सेस बैलेंस्ड फोर्स हैं. ओके, जैसे एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, इस पर एक फोर्स F2 लग रहा है, एक फोर्स F1 लग रहा है. अगर ये दोनों फोर्सेस इक्वल हैं लेकिन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन पर एक ही बॉडी पर लग रहे हैं, तो नेट फोर्स विल बी F1 माइनस F2. क्योंकि F2 इक्वल टू F1, तो हम यहाँ पर F1 लिख सकते हैं. देयरफॉर F1 माइनस F1 दिस इज 0. तो बैलेंस फोर्स के केस में जो नेट फोर्स होगा, जिसको हम रिजल्टेंट फोर्स भी कह सकते हैं, ये 0 होगा। ठीक है, फोर्स क्योंकि ये एक तरीके से वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है, तो इसमें मैग्नीट्यूड भी होता है और डायरेक्शन भी होती है। ठीक है, नाउ यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट। Now this class is over today, and we will discuss types of forces and unbalanced forces in the next class. Thank you, students.